I was diagnosed with spinal stenosis through an MRI, and the doctor said that the only thing that could help that was surgery to remove the vertebrae, and I didn't want to do that, so I was able to, I found Eric about 6 months ago, and he helped me tremendously actually to avoid this surgery, and has helped me to feel better and to alleviate the pain in my legs that I've had and numbness. So when I go in for a session with Eric, he usually starts off with a good half hour of stretching. And that's not only feels tremendous, it really helps me, because stretching yourself you can do, but it's not as effective as having somebody who's an expert and knowing which ways to move your legs and your back. So it just feels great, and it really helps a lot. And then there's a time of massage, which always, of course, feels great and helps to relax my muscles, makes me feel great, really increases circulation. So it's been very helpful. Absolutely, you should go see Eric. I think you'll like him. He's a great guy, and he's an expert in his field, and you'll love working with him, and I think you'll benefit tremendously.